I've downloaded my 2 clips that I want to use as part of my opening sequence to my video. You can see here that I've got a video underneath here of somebody eating something. We could be doing something about talking about digestion or what a process is, and I want to be the presenter on top, and I'm going to use Chroma Key to make sure that my avatar Clippy here is going to be speaking over the top of what's going on with my video underneath. And so we need to make sure that my base video is the video that is on the background and that my green screen video is on top. Once we've got those set up, we can come across over here to the right hand side here. We've got options over here. I'm on the downloaded version of the Capcut, so it's running on my computer. We click on video. We've got a whole bunch of things down here. We can do a whole bunch of things in here if you wanted to, but the thing we want to click on is this tab here from basic. The next one over under video is remove background, and we want to click on Chroma Key, and then we're going to use the color picker. That'll do us. So I've just clicked on the Chroma Key. That'll do, and we can change the intensity, so we can edit that. So you can see if we zoom in over here, we can see that green keeps appearing on the edges of Clippy here, so I can just wipe this up and down till I'm happy. No, I want to make it better. Okay, do I want a shadow? Probably don't. I'll get rid of that. Feather the edge in Pro, that's all in Pro, we can't do that. But that's pretty much now, I've now got my Clippy green screened on top of my video footage, and I'm talking, as you can see, and we're talking about the process, and so I've now got a video clip together with my base footage and my green screen over the top, and I can continue to assemble my entire presentation as per my storyboard. So the next clip would be a close-up photo of Clippy talking with my voice over the top.